Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, Measures of Central Tendency, in that exercise 3.2. In that we are going to study combined mean and weighted mean. Combined mean, suppose two groups are there, groups A or groups B. We have to find out combined mean of both groups, then we go for this formula. Here they can give us more than 2 groups also, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups as given in sum. Combined means equal to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 and so on. So on means numbers of observation and mean given in the sum. Up to that we have to write down here. Divided by n1 plus n2. Weighted mean. Weighted means weighted. Importance. Here weighted means importance given to anything, that is called weighted mean. Formula mean W equal to W1 x1. Here difference in combined mean and weighted mean is there, that here they have given us mean 1, but here x1, here mean 2, here x2 means observation of second class. So here this is the basic difference. Divided by W1 plus W2. Now, sum number 1. The mean of daily wage paid to 75 skilled workers of a factory was rupees 280, whereas the mean daily wage paid to 125 unskilled workers was rupees 150. Find the mean wage of all the workers. Here, the mean of daily wages paid to 75 skilled and 125 unskilled, means n1 equal to 75, n2 equal to 125. Now 75 skilled workers mean daily wages is 280, means x bar 1 equal to 280. Then 125 unskilled workers mean daily wage is 150, so x bar 2 equal to 150. Now we will put all these numbers into the formula to solve the sum. Formula: the combined mean of all workers. Combined mean equal to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. Now here n1 equal to 75 into 280, x bar 1 equal to 280, plus sign will be there between two groups. Then n2 equal to 125, x bar 2 equal to 150 divided by n1 75, write down here, n2 125. We will multiply 75 into 280, write down here 21,000. Here 125 into 150, write down here 18,750 divided by add 75 plus 125 equal to 200. Now total of this number divided by 200, we will get here combined mean equal to 198.75. Now, second example, find the weighted mean of the percentage change in prices from the following data. Food items: rice, wheat, tea, sugar, pulses. Weight given here 7, 10, 5, 8, 2. percentage change in price 134, 125, 115, 97, 120. Here directly they have written here that they have given here weight. So weight means W1 7, we have written here, W2 10, W2 10, W3 5, W4 8, W5 2. Then percentage change in price, X1 equal to 134, X2, X3, X4 and X5. We will put all these numbers into the formula. The weighted mean for percentage change, mean W equal to W1 into X1 plus W2 into X2, W3 into X3 plus W4 into X4 plus W5 into X5. Only 5 observations are there, so we have written up to 5 observations. Divided by W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4 plus W5. We will put all numbers into the formula. 7 into 134 plus 10 into 125 plus 5 into 115 plus 8 into 97 plus 2 into 120 divided by all weighted numbers. Now add, multiply by 7 into 134, we will get 938 plus sign. Then multiplied by 10 into 125 we will get 1250, 5 into 115 we will get 575, 8 into 97 we will get 776, 2 into 120 we will get 240. By adding we will get 32. Total of all these numbers divided by 32, we will get weighted mean equal to 118.09. Now third number, 2 officers, 10 clerks and 3 peons contributed for a staff picnic. The contribution collected per person is shown in the following table. Find the mean contribution per person using weighted mean. Here also they have written us that we have to do some according to weighted mean formula. Okay. Now officer. So how many officers are there? So in sum they have given us 2 officers. Means weight is W1 equal to 2 officers. Clerk 10 clerks. So W2 equal to 10 clerks. Peon 3 peons. We will write down W3 equal to 3. Now X1 equal to 1000, X2 equal to 500, X3 equal to 200. Now we will put all these things into the formula. The weighted mean for contribution formula, W mean W equal to W1 into X1 plus W2 into X2 plus W3 into X3. Give attention here is not mean only X1 is there. This is the difference between their combined mean and weighted mean. Now we will put all numbers written here, then multiplied by 2 into 1000 we will get 2000, 10 into 500 we will get 5000, 300, 3 into 200 we will get 600. By adding all these numbers we will get 15. Then mean W equal to total of all these numbers 7600 divided by 15, we get here 506 into 67. So weighted main equal to 506 into 67. Now, 4 number, the mean marks of students in 7 theory papers is 62. What should be the mean marks in 3 practical examination? So that his mean marks for the entire examination is 68. Here they have given us combined mean. Combined means here 68. Combined mean answer they have given us. Then n1 equal to 7 they have given us. n2 3 they have given us. Here mean of first mean they have given us here 62. What about mean 2? So they have given us combined mean, but we have to find out here mean 2. So the mean marks of students 7 theory. So I have written here 7. There mean marks 62. Here I have written here n2 equal to 3, but we don't know the mean marks, but they have given us combined marks. We will put all these numbers into the formula. Combined mean equal to n1 into x bar 1 plus n2 into x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. In sum, they have given us combined mean. We have written here combined mean. Then n1 7, x bar 1 they have given us 62. We have written here plus n2 3, but we don't know x bar 2. We have to find out. Divided by n1 7 and 2 3. Okay, 68 we have written here. Multiply 7 into 62, we will get 434 written here. Here 3 into x bar 2, 3 x bar 2. 7 plus 3, 10. Now here 10 is in divide, so we will put here into multiplication. So we will get here 680 equal to 434 plus 3 x bar 2. Okay. Now here 434, we will take here 680 minus 434 equal to 3x bar 2. 3x bar 2 equal to 680 minus 434. We will get 3x bar 2 equal to 680 minus 434 would be 246. Here x bar 2 equal to 246. Here 3 is in multiplication. We will put here in division. We will get 82. Now here answer x bar 2 equal to 82. Okay, students, here we have completed exercise 3.2. In next session we will start exercise 3.3. Till that, keep studying. Thank you for watching.